It's Christmas tags on the 25th, autumn edition. Happy autumn, everybody. And this is my offering for this month for Christmas tag. And it's actually an envelope. And I'll just unwrap it here. So you see it's a double-sided envelope. And so we open up the envelope and it's got this beautiful tag inside. And I've added a really pretty bundle of fabrics and ribbon and some metallic threads that I just sort of swirl around. And then I add a button to secure it all. So that's the tag. And then that goes into this pocket that I've lined with some seam binding in a matching color. And so that can close up there. And then you see the top of the tag sticking out nicely there. And then on the other side, the two ends of the envelope are joined together and there's grommets on each point. And it's got a little tag inside. And that just slips in and out. And a charm and some little dangly pieces of fabric, and I sewed that on so it wouldn't be so bulky on the top, because what I've been doing with these is affixing them to the page in my journals, and if you put one of these flaps down, then you can open it up on the page of your journal, and then it becomes kind of a flip and a nice feature. So, and it also makes a nice envelope for a Christmas gift. And if you're looking for a full tutorial on this, it is on my YouTube under double pocket envelope flip flappy thing. So that was about a month ago. So in September I made that video. So check out that link in the description box below. And I'll see you next time. Have a wonderful autumn, and we'll see you next month just before Halloween. All right. Have a great month. Take care. Thanks for watching.